Hello everyone. In this series we'll be studying past year's questions of the NCERT board exams. This will help us gauge what kind of questions come in the NCERT and gain full marks in the board exams. So let's begin with the first topic, the rise of nationalism in Europe. The first question is very important because it was asked 4 times in the board exams. Describe any 3 steps taken by the French revolutionaries to create a sense of collective identity among the French people. This was asked 4 times in the board exam as a short answer question, 2017, 2010, 2012, and also in the NCERT. It was asked as a 5-mark exam, long answer question in the year 2018. When it's a short answer question, which is for 3 marks, you have to give 3 points, 1 mark for each point. When it's a long answer question for 5 marks, you have to give 5 points. That is 1 mark for each point. In case you come across a point where you know only 3 points or only know 2 points, I suggest that you write down whatever you remember because each point has a mark. So first I would like you to answer the questions in your mind and then we can go on to the answer. The answer is, the following measures were introduced by the French revolutionaries to create a sense of collective identity. The first one is the idea of la patrie, that is fatherland, and le citoyen, that is the citizen. So this is where you have a feeling of the country or the nation being your father and you being a responsible citizen of the country. A new flag was there, a tricolor of France, which replaced the monarchical or the royal standard. The Estates General was elected. This is the Parliament of France. A body of active citizens was elected to the Estates General and was renamed the National Assembly. The 4th point is, new hymns were composed, oaths were taken, martyrs were commemorated. The 5th point is, a centralized administrative system was put into place which formulated uniform laws for the citizens within the territory. Uniform system of weights and measures were adopted and internal custom duties were abolished. Regional dialects were discouraged and French as it was spoken in France was chosen as the common language of the nation. So like I said, if it is a long answer question 5 marks, you have to give any of 5 points. If it's a short answer question of 3 marks, give 3 points. If you remember less than 5 or 3 points, write how many ever points remember because each point contains 1 mark. We can also have a memory help. The French football club elected players who took oaths and sang hymns in French for uniform laws and system of weights. Imagine players who are elected and they're singing under a French flag hymns for uniform laws and system of weights for the game. So the French football club, that stands for the French La Patrie and Le Citoyen. Elected stands for election of the National Assembly. The next point is for new hymns and oaths. The next point is uniform laws within the country and weights and measures. And the last point, common language, is in the beginning. That's French as a language. That's French football club. Also, the French flag can be included here. This revises all the points in the question. See you in the next question.